Hello, how you doing tonight? I just wanted to quickly show you my oil analyzers report that I just got back. As you can see right here, it is my 3.6 Pentastar V6 out of my 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. I have 7-quart capacity, and I do have the bypass and extended drain interval that I'm doing. So I've got that bypass filter. I think I've showed it to you before, and it happens to be tied off of the oil pressure circuit. And then it goes into a very restrictive, less than 1 micron type of filter. And then it also has the regular full flow filter as well. So I had already done one oil analysis right here back in December 2017. And I just did one here about a week or so ago. And as you can see, everything is really good. As a matter of fact, I went about 10,000 more miles, and my fuel dilution actually got better. My soot and water remained the same. My base number, however, did go down a little bit. The base number is what's going to be in regards to the oil, how it resists acids and oxidation and that kind of stuff. But you can also see that my copper went down. Iron went up just a little. Aluminum as well. Silicone the same. Sodium down. So these are contaminant metals here. So they're about the same or down. Except for potassium went up just a tad. And then these items right here that are showing, these are like the additive type base package that's in there. And as you can see, because obviously it's getting older and it's getting a lot more miles on it, it is in fact depleting a little bit. But for the most part, if you look right here, oil is suitable for continued use, and they want me to resample here at 3,500 miles. Most likely next month what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and change a bypass filter and add another quart, because that bypass filter, it will literally take an entire quart of oil just when you remove it. It removes a lot of oil from the engine, or from the crankcase capacity. And again, last time I was at number 2. Now it says abnormal, but it's not abnormal as in per se that it needs to be changed. It's just, it's beginning to show signs of wear, which everything does, right? And especially as you use it more, etc., etc. And I have to tell you that I've been putting this vehicle through a lot in regards to, I've been doing a lot of idle time, a lot more short trip driving, as well as long highway and interstate mileage. And again, I'm knocking off anything from 26, depending on my worst day, all the way up to 34 miles a gallon in my town and country minivan, which for a 290 horsepower V6 with the weight that it is, because it's a larger van, it is amazing. So it's really exceptional. So I just wanted to let you know that, again, the oil change light that is on my dash, always telling me, oil change due, blah blah blah. Well, actually, no, it is not. Okay, it is not due for any kind of oil change. As a matter of fact, they're recommending that we run it and keep on going. And again, I'm going to change that filter here in about a couple weeks here, and put another quart in, and continue to run it again, probably for another 6-month period before I go ahead and do another oil sample, in which, of course, I will get right back with you guys on the results of that. So you can see that, unfortunately, I did not enter the information incorrectly here. I've actually started at approximately 18,000 miles, but I did not start doing this oil analysis, obviously, until 62,000 miles. But which, so it was probably number 0 or 1 for a very long time, up until I finally got the bypass unit in and I decided to start doing the oil analysis. So at any rate, I won't keep you long, but be sure to check out my YouTube channel if you're not already there, Obi-Wan in of YouTube, and like, subscribe, share it, let everybody know that, again, you don't need to follow the crowd. In fact, you can be one of the leaders of the crowd. Okay? If you have any questions about any AMSOIL or extended drain intervals, etc., feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, shoot me a message, text, instant message, you name it. Let me know. I can help you out. Because, again, a lot of this stuff is just not the way they say it goes. Trust me on that. Talk to you later. Bye.